A woman can look formal in something with no sleeves. A man cannot.
A $30,000 car is worth approximately 1,500 Uber rides or 625 hours of Uber rides.
The English language doesn't hold food in high regard. It's not nice to be a seedy, nutty, or fruity person. And you definitely wouldn't want to be a vegetable.
Work becomes hell when the people who organize mandatory potlucks take over.
Humans having to exist beneath a giant ball of fire in the sky that burns your skin and blinds you if you ever look directly at it is kind of a dystopian premise.
Our far descendants will have high-quality pictures of what we looked like and so much of our information.
You never see carrot on a pizza.
There was a day you stopped being a cute baby and became just another child.
When riding a Pegasus, does your legs go in front or behind the wings?
Asking for a tip is a form of begging.
Every selfless act upon execution gives you self-fulfillment, so it's indirectly selfish.
It's offensive to inflect a Chinese accent while speaking English, but if you use one while speaking Chinese, you just seem impressively fluent.
You don't realize how many clothes there are in the world until you realize how rarely you see someone wearing the same shirt as you.
It's recommended to brush a part of your skeleton at least twice daily.
As a dad, you eventually just realize you can't do all that stuff you want. Might as well chill a little and enjoy the moment.
Ants can't get hurt by splinters because the smallest wood particle is dust, which to them is as big as a pillow.
Calling yourself humble is a contradiction.
The end of the universe is actually the beginning of the universe.
Success doesn't feel the same if you don't have anyone to share it with.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. A head transplant is the same as a full-body transplant.
Funny how nonchalant astronauts are about making videos, pouring out water or chucking stuff around to show zero gravity when they're surrounded by all that equipment.
A spider crawling on a window screen might be baffled that none of the lines radiate toward a center.
It's actually a good thing that a lot of addictive things are paywalled. You can't try it if you can't afford it.
Boeing is onomatopoeia for something conking out.
And bodybuilding failure is the goal. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you liked this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.